Hey guys, Mike here from Panther Hollow Sporting Optics. Hope this video finds you well. Well, we took the TX1 out today, 22LR, and had a little fun. This is the Midas Tac, 5 to 25 by 56. And we got the side shot camera sitting on the side of it there. This little side shot has a GoPro 10 in it, and it's pretty amazing the video that you can get from the side shot camera. It's very impressive. It impressed me. We got some good video to go through here. So without any further ado, we're going to get to the shooting stuff. You'll kind of see some groups that I shoot with the Tikka at 100 yards, and you'll see some bonus footage. Anyways, guys, enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Alright guys, we're after those last two dots there. See if we can, got a little wind picking up again here. We'll see what happens. Looked like that was just below the dot. That was in it. I'm telling you boys, this little Tikka with this tuner on here flat shoots. There's just no two ways about it. And when I talk about shooting, I've had Bagaras, I've had CZs, I've had all of them, and it may just be the tuner on the end, getting that thing tuned in. But I'm telling you, the consistency of this setup with this tuner is really, really good. You see, that was right in the center of that dot almost. Just below it. Right there by it. Same hole. Just off to the right edge, left edge.